1/2 equals 2/4. What does that mean, though? We know mechanically we can get that by multiplying the top and bottom of this fraction by 2, but it's important to be able to visualize what that means. This circle over here, 1/2 of this circle is shaded in. I cut it into two parts, and one part is shaded in. With this circle, 2/4 is shaded in. I've cut it into four parts, shaded in two of them. Now, what do you notice? This amount of shading is the same as this amount of shading. 1/2 of the circle is the exact same thing as 2/4 of the circle. This amount of green is the same as this amount of green. We can do that with other fractions as well. Here we have 1/2 equals 3/6. That means that 1/2 is the exact same thing as 3/6. So we shade in, over here you can see this amount of green is shaded in, and over here we can see that this amount of green is shaded in. 3/6 is shaded in here, 1/2 is shaded in here, but it's the same amount of green that's shaded in on both of these. Now what's also interesting is that, look, 1/2 is the same as 2/4, and 1/2 is also the same as 3/6. So guess what? 2/4 has the same amount of green as 3/6. So 2/4 is also the same thing as 3/6. 1/2, 2/4, and 3/6 are all the exact same thing. This is the amazing thing with fractions, is that we can write the same thing in more than one different way, and that's going to have a lot of interesting uses later on.